Hello MDS aspirants, welcome to Neatable, MDS की पाठशाला. I am your host Dr. Ashna Dhingra and I have done my MDS in Public Health Dentistry. You can call me Doc Dhingra. This podcast is for dental students, whether an intern, post-intern or even working dentists who want to prepare and crack the NEET MDS exam. In this pathshala, I will assist you in preparation of all the 19 dental subjects with readouts from the most essential book of the preparation, the Dental Pulse, along with elements from my notes that I used during my preparation. For the best use of this podcast, I would suggest that you open your books and read it along with listening to the podcast. The Pathshala may also assist you in times when you might not have your books with you, or if you're traveling or even working within a job. You can use this podcast to read and keep preparing wherever you are. I will keep the pace of the podcast to a study and reading velocity so that you are easily able to capture the concepts and learn while listening. We tend to remember more easily when we listen to something while reading about it. Also, I have enabled the voice messages feature so that you can send me your doubts and I'll take them up and discuss with you from time to time. Each session will start with a short meditation to bring the focus of the mind and then move on to mindful preparation of the subjects which are divided topic-wise. In these pandemic times, I'm sure the aspirants need motivation to persist in their preparation, and I will make sure to keep the motivation and spirits high for all my listeners. Traditionally, this series is suitable for a preparation lasting for 6 months, but the best part is that you can set your own pace to prepare efficiently. The language for the podcast will be a mix of English and Hindi. Since you are here, you are now Neatables because you have the ability to crack the NEET MDS exam for a better future. So welcome on board and stay tuned. I hope you all enjoy your preparation in this MDS ki Pathshala.